Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ini nakaseng Neutral Integrated Territorial Organization Hito sengkeme mentagas ni apply tarik menasan arajar apa ngilan lek banbu ikan ikan berkas mat jong ulat kejelas Shri Satya Pal Malik Halor kephang keba nakalian jong Bthah yung speaker jong Meghalaya Assembly ban ai nak berkawai kepat ban ai FIR dan ni ban Bthah CBI ko query Halor ke Jingtei ya kata ikan New Meghalaya Assembly Building Hamau Biang Den apok New Shillong Township te harane kedor khas kakum kate kapang ni la bu hau Halor kini kimat kabangan kuliah di kenten nongwai kabangan kong kata the complete tender and bidding process including the criteria adopt such as experience and turnover criteria for selecting the Rajkiya Nirman Nigam Limited, which is implementing the precious project, to provide the names of the companies who submitted their bids along with the list of the local representative of any of these selected companies. Number 2, the list of member of the tender or finance committee and the views and comments. Number 3, the recommendation notes if any of the technical and financial official. Number 4, why such large prestigious project have not been handed to the run-own Tata company or L&T, which is executing the Vista project of the Prime Minister office. Number 5, why were inexperienced and incompetent officials appointed by Meghalaya Assembly to oversee such large prestigious project. Number 6, to urge the Speaker to initiate an FIR and a CBI inquiry on the collapse of the dome, which miraculous of the laborer were injured, and to inquire as to cause escalation or corruption, if any, in the allotment of work by the Meghalaya Assembly Tender Committee headed by the Speaker. Number 7, to urge Meghalaya Assembly Speaker to clarify if an independent agency like Tata Groups or L&T will be appointed by the Meghalaya Assembly Secretariat to certify the quality and safety fitness to the new Meghalaya Assembly before inauguration and entry by MLA officer and staff in this premises. On this regard, we urge the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya to kindly direct the Honorable Speaker to immediately issue a white paper, file FIR, and invite CBI on this entire shocking incident of massive corruption in the Meghalaya Assembly, leading to the collapse of the structure, causing serious concern as to safety fitness to the new Meghalaya Assembly in the ongoing construction to the prestigious Meghalaya Assembly, where Honorable Governor would have to attend frequently. Let's say buon kiban so thamla ba kumno ngilit bu ya kanika dorkas so Governor jam ka jela kani kadai kejinglit bu jumi ya kanika dorkas kadai Halor kono rem ba ngila I teng mena kani ba kala don kata ka kenja ak ane kata ke kenja kendon ke bobot na ki sarkar MDA ba ka CBI kamla wan chane claim da yo jingbit na ka sarkar jela today Halor kani kanong rem ni la ikendo yo lat ke jela ba ni ai ga ni pun sngo kat kum kani ke representation how lat jong ke jela ba kun Bthah yo speaker ban le ya ga badon kam khnang ba ngin lat ya ka ai jing sha ba ya ka ai kata ga jingjer se hapo bersna ya kani ka ni building jong kani assembly ko thamai tengi kermen scam bahu sar bahu lap ke jela in shimkia ba le ko kam khnang ba in lap ya jing sha ba de ya ka ne ka building kam dei ka ba menin kam dei ka ba mentah le ka dei nadu por yung doktor dan ko poroi ba tharai undala aya kan ko ba met ba undala aya kan ko white paper hangta kan sapau ben mano ba kumno ba balai kalija hadu kan ni jingjer se jong ka bamsa har kan ni ka man tay kan ni ka new building assembly